In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perfectly center a cover page or text in Microsoft Word. Hitting the Enter key a dozen times to push your text down to the middle of a cover page is an absolute layout trap. The second you change your font size, add a logo, or switch your page margins, your text shifts completely off center and ruins your entire layout. Today, we are unlocking Word's hidden vertical alignment matrix to lock your text dead center automatically. So let's get your text centered side to side first. Just use your mouse to highlight the exact text or cover letters title that you want to center on your page. Let me actually choose another document. This one doesn't really fit too well. I'll choose this one. Let me just choose this first paragraph, an example, and then with the text selected, press Ctrl E on your keyboard. And there you go. As you can see, it changes. Or you can go to the Home tab and click the standard center text icon in the paragraph group. You can go to Home and here under Paragraph, just center it. You could see I've already done this, and now we need to center this text vertically from top to bottom without affecting the rest of your document. Just keep this text highlighted, move your cursor up to the navigation ribbon again, and click the Layout tab here. Look right underneath the ribbon for the group labeled Page Setup, and then go straight to the bottom right corner of that selection and click the tiny square launch icon. This one right here. And this will open up the Advanced Page Control panel. And inside the Page Setup box, look at the very top and click on the third tab labeled Layouts. And look down to the center section of this window, explicitly named Page. And you will see an option called Vertical Alignment in here, which defaults to top, and click that, a drop down will change it directly to center. Before you click anything else, look at the very bottom of the window for the Applied drop down menu and change the setting from whole document to selected text like this. And this is the critical gatekeeper that first forces Word to center only your current page while keeping your regular document chapters perfectly normal. So click OK, and there you go. As you can see, our text is now separated, and your cover page text instantly snaps to the exact mathematical center of the page, both vertically and horizontally, and will stay locked in place no matter how your layout changes in the future. But that is it. That is how to perfectly center a cover page or text in Microsoft Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.